What if I'll tell you you can use Claude and another powerful tool for free? No subscription, no hidden charges, one setup using OpenRouter. And here is the crazy part, that model called Minimax M2.5. The most people have not heard about it, but it is actually free to use right now. In this series, I'm going to show you how to access multiple LLMs with one API key, step by step. If you are into AI, coding, building tools, don't skip this. This is a game changer. Hi, welcome to one more powerful session. I'm Swarna. Let's dive into it. So as you can see, I have already configured Minimax. Let me take you to the page where we got this Anthropic model. So quickly opening up. And also we will see the comparison between why this model I have choose for development or local development. It is, of course, there will be like comparison between Opus, Sonnet and Minimax. We'll see that, and performance benchmarks, providers, playgrounds, performance, everything we'll see it here. And today we'll dissect Minimax and we'll also compare with various models. Stay tuned. And yeah, technology wise, 47. And most, as I said, we are starting with a series of free tools. That is, we are going to dissect and we'll use our day-to-day activities and how it is useful or not. That also we'll be seeing here. And moreover, you see, it takes the context 196608 context it has, and it is released February 2026. It is a new model. Of course, it is 2 to 3 months old, 1 quarter. But if you see here, money wise, $0 per million byte token. Output also, which is most important. These days, tokens are most important than money. So $0/m output. If you are a local vendor or local entrepreneur and your usage is not that much, and you are a content creator or solo entrepreneur, so this is one of the best model I can say. If you don't have a rigorous timeline to deliver, this is one of the best model what I find. Let us dive into one by one. And if you see here, this is a sort of large language model designed a real life productivity. So it is always address your problem for the real life productivity as we do in the real world of corporate or work, and trend in the diversity range of real complexity. A real digital working environment. It builds on coding expertise. It especially we can use for coding and general office work. Reach fluency in the operating word, Excel, PowerPoint, and it is able to do that. And here one more thing which is most important, scoring 80.2. If you see here, this is the benchmark which is a eye-catching thing. 80% benchmark definitely is a good benchmark, and it is of course context window is less, not like 256 or 200 or more than 250. If it will be more context window and less hallucination will be there, and you will get more output. But in comparison to a $0 million token, along with that context window near to 200, it is very good, I say. And if you see benchmark wise, it is outbid. 8.2 on SWC benchmark verified, 51.3% multi SWE bench, and 76 on browser comp. And M2 is also more token efficiency than the provost. So in this model, they have given more efficiency on token, because token, if you save, more you will utilize and more work productivity will be there. So if you see performance wise here, and here you can see throughput wise, yes, 13. And here, latency is 3.49 seconds, E2E latency 38, which is a little bit less, but we can go through one by one. And 9.48. I'll show you one more powerful thing, which is going to the comparison between OpenRouter and various models we'll see. Minimax, you see here, more models from Minimax. Hilo 2.3, Minimax 2.7, and Minimax. So here, it is a video gaming generation for Minimax, and it is accept prompt and reference. And here, other thing you can go through it as for today. We are going to do dissection of Minimax and usage of it. So benchmark, if you see here, artificial intelligence index is 41.9 and 37.4 is the coding index, and agentic index it is 55.6, and best than 84% of model compare intelligent index, and better than 86% of model compare, and better than 88 point for the comparison. With a $0, with such benchmarks coming greater than performing 80%, it's not bad. It's really good. And reasoning wise, IF benchmark, you see, it is in some labels, it has been already outspoken. And if you see morely 50%, it's some of features are not that much, but yes, it is. If you see others, like 71% gradually, and IFC benchmark instruction follows. So 71, and benchmark telecom conversation AI agent is a dual control scenario, which is we definitely needs this. It's 95.3. Okay, so this is one of thing, and performance we have seen. You see, and And I just want to show you one of the comparison between Opus and let me quickly open the Opus actually. Here we go. It is academic 34, 10 legal. It is as per its, we'll go with this one. And if you see here, let me quickly go to Opus 4.5 performance label. And we'll do a comparison. Let me quickly pull it down. Okay, here we go. And this is Minimax performance latest. So it is 39 token per second, and Anthropic takes, and Google Vertex takes 39 token, and Amazon Bedrock takes 37. And what Minimax takes? 13 token. Latency 3.4, and here latency 1.49. And if you see here, Anthropic 7.31 latency, and here Anthropic for the tool call rate, structure output rate, which is most important, 15.7, not available, and tool call rate is 9.47, and here Anthropic is 0.68. So there is some differences between them, and along with, we'll see benchmark. Yes, this is most important. What I told you, 53-point index, and it is better than 97% of models. 53. Comparison definitely there is, but if you see here, benchmark of it, it is 41.9 and 84%. It is 97%. And coding index, if you see here, better than 97%. And if you see coding index here, 37. It is 37, it is 48. And if you go to index, agentic index, better than 88 point percentage of the model. And here 67.6. Better than 98% model. And so if you see comparison between both of them, Minimax slightly comes to near, and it is a very good model to go with for definitely. Okay, let's quickly dive into here. And if you see, this is the setup in your settings dot local suggestion. You call the OpenRouter API, then provide the token. If you have not seen that video, I'll share it in the link below so that you can refer that and you can get the how to get that tokens and configure it. And then Anthropic model, copy from the model session and put it here, and then come here and start with Claude. So I have already started, and if you see, I have already configured this part, and you can try it out on your own. Once that is done, what you can do here, I have already created one application with Minimax. If you see, and I stopped it somewhere, we need to enhance it out. So every day it gives some 10 credits, and it is less only definitely. For your high scale, you need to upgrade it. So yeah, that's one of the call outs I need to convey to my viewers. So if you see, this is one of, let me quickly go to the prompts. I have already layouts. I'll suggest. Okay, layouts and plan. Let me explain. This is one of the application I am developing with Minimax, where I am telling wherever I'll give my YouTube video links, you create 6 to 7 viral videos. So viral shorts, and this is the application for my daily work. So that I'll not do anything, neither I'll pay something, I'll develop it of my own. So please consider YouTube URLs. This is my requirement in the local folder. Create a professional style screenshot divided into 2 frames. I did not give any much things. I need 2 panels like B-rolls usually do. It's a small application because as I said, if you scale it up, you need more tokens, more higher version of models. But this is a free model. So within the free model, I have given a simple develop B-roll frame viral clips which will generate an application that. And if you see, do not consider any outside informations. Screen should be full and URL, and evidence should be from my channels. And latter point of time, some call outs are there. I just make it. So let's go this prompt wise, and it has started brewing. So could you please go through the read dot md file and start to develop REST. So what will happen when you keep something in your like as per your plan? Suppose you have 10 plans activities, and first day you have given 2 to 3 activities, and it is done. So you shut down your machine, or your usage has been something expired, or you finished your first day of quota. Second day when you come, like usually in the corporate lives or your daily lives, you work on a continuous of a plan activities. So in that case, next day when you come, LLM will not remember, AI will not remember what you have done. So what you need to do, you make a file or um, feed whatever you have done from previous, and so that it will take from there. So in this case, I have added a read.md file. So it will go through that and it will pick where it left from the last day. So in that way, so I have told, could you please read the m.dot file and start developing the rest and be on. So it started brewing. So if you see, it has already created few of um, let me quickly take you through the what he has developed. This application has been fully developed in OpenRouter and along with Minimax. And if you see, it is how beautiful done. And this part, if you see AI sorts up, I have created a plan, and in that plan, I have added the folder structure based on this plan, this section. Prompts is here, pipeline is here, because and then it had generated this YouTube search generator. And as for that, B-roll, TXT, banners, you don't need to think about anything later than what you need. What you need is you need the, I need this. This is my app which will take a, a URL and it will give you viral shots and with two friends. That's a minimal thing which we can do. And moreover, whenever you are in a free tier, you need to think about how efficiently you are using those tokens. If you give at a shot all the things to a AI, it will take more token and it will go through the um, process of reduce of the token will more usage. So once that is done, you can try it out on your uh, way. So if API key is uh, you can get a new API key by visiting the page. If you have not seen the video how to get the API keys, please I'll add into the link below. You can go through and take it and then configure it. And if you see with the Minimax and we connected and our work is started as usual. So with that you can develop small applications. You can try your test case design. You can use Minimax for coding small things and automation engineers can automate their workflows along with Playwright, along with other thing. So in this way, LLM can be used. So it's a very good way of using Minimax, a free model for our day-to-day work activities. And now you have got access to powerful LLMs like Claude, Open Router, and Minimax without spending a rupee. But here is the real question. What you are going to build with it? Because in this next video, I am not going to show tools. I'm going to show you to turn into a real AI workflow that saves your works and even make money. Trust me, most people stop at setup, but that's where the real advantage begins. So click this video right here because this might the skill that put you ahead of 99% people using. So stay tuned. This is Swarna signing off. Thanks for your time. Thanks